Hi, now I'd like to talk about safe automation testing approach with Playwright. I'm gonna copy salary. I'm gonna paste it. Gonna rename it. Play safe.spec.js. Play safe.spec.js. I'm gonna cut off all that's unnecessary from previous lecture. We don't need it anymore. Uncomment. Next thing, I'd like to implement annotations. I simply gonna copy it from here, right before async, up to here, copy. Now, right before async, paste it. I'll exchange type for a category. I'll exchange this one for safe test demo. Safe automation test approach demo. And I'll exchange the name. Test safely with Playwright. File, save. Now, there will be three parts. We need to structure our test into three parts. Save part number 1. Substitutes web elements locators with variables. Save part number 2. Number 2, substitute test data inputs with variables. And save part number 3 will be stay in control during test execution. Stay in control during test execution. Let's fulfill part number 1. First is button clear. And you substitute it immediately. First, you substitute all web elements locators. Then, do not forget to assign your variables meaningful names, easily understandable by others. Then hours. Then days. Substitute your element locators. Then holidays. Do not forget semicolons anywhere. Good. Then vacation. Simple operation, copy paste. Create your variable, meaningful name, copy paste. Then button calculate finally. btn late. Good. Now part 1 is done. At this point, let's go to part 2. First was amount. So I create variable for data input. Input amount, prefix input. Let's make 45 per hour. Let's say. You take it, substitute right here. Then hours. Constant put hours. Last time I confused with weekly, so I'll make it 8 hours per day. Then put days. Let's say 5 days per week is enough, right? Good. Then what was holidays? Let's make it 50. Let's say. And finally vacation. Let's be generous. And make it 4 weeks, 28 days. Okay. At this point, your automation test script with Playwright is very clear. Even a person or tester after you can open it and read it and understand it clearly. You can provide some kind of comments and so on. Let's see if there are no any red lines. Part number 1, your web elements locators in controllable section. Part number 2, your data, your test, your automation test data. Part number 3 is very simple and clearly readable for anyone. Now let's execute it. npx playwright test. You can also make this headed part of Playwright configuration file here. Enter. Let's see, one passed. Let's open the report. our test name, test safely with Playwright, our annotation, category, safe automation test approach demo, our steps. Very good. Now let's sum up. This way you can place up to 50 or more elements locators and supply with data whatever you like, unlimited. Applying this approach, you always stay in control of your script, which can be easily understood by others. This is already professional looking and good quite enough. In case you have some time to work professionally, you might create a separate home file where you locate same elements and same data inputs, call data inputs and same methods and functions simply in a separate file. Right now, at this moment, you are good, you are professional, and you are safe. Good luck with Playwright testing.